I know you. I've been where you are. I've spent thousands of dollars trying to hone my tax and accounting business. I've spent money and been in classes and I didn't understand a lick of what they were saying. It just didn't compute for me. I didn't register and there was no way for me to be able to circumvent that. Well, I started this tax academy for one, to speak to people like me. Can I tell you a secret? We did it. I gathered all of my financial resources and all of my financial resource friends, and we made an academy. So let me tell you what it is. It's the Tax Revenue Academy. And even though the name may be a little bit misleading, we teach you everything that you need to know from taxes, accounting, bookkeeping, you name it. I am going to put you in the vehicle to be able to take your business off. Everything that I learned that cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars in education and student loans, you're going to get here for a fraction of the cost. Plus, outside of the quizzes and the courses, you get one-on-one access to me and other professors. And let me not back that up. It's not professors, but other financial professionals that actually have the resources to tap in and answer those questions for you spot on. So, want more information? Click the Enroll Now button, fill out the survey, and we'll get back to you. We are so excited to have you here, and welcome to the TMB Tax Revenue Academy family. Thank you for checking in on all of the cash rules that we've got at the TMB Tax and Associates Cash Rules YouTube channel. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for additional information on everything tax and finance related. We appreciate you so much. Take care now.